into a Black Friday commentary. Here I'm joined by my random team that I found on FaceIt.
This can't be basic.
Yeah, you're basic.
Okay. Bitch. Just like your mom.
Dude, you're only one rank. Dude, you're only one rank away from being a normal, average CS player. How does that make you feel?
Great.
Was that their vents or your vents? No one's watching mid?
They smoked Xbox. No, they're middle, all middle. Come in highway. They got my AK.
Push me.
Hurry for now.
Jesus Christ.
Dude.
That's actually what it sounds like when people stand on top of my head.
Dude. I'm joking. That was amazing.
Oh my god.